Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Volt. This four-door hatchback has a four-cylinder engine with front-wheel drive and a one-speed direct-drive transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 133,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 43 miles per gallon in the city and 42 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.